What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because we're gonna be doing a walk around point of view. We're also gonna drive this truck today. So if you don't know, this is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This is my truck. I've owned it for around 6,000 months. Not 6,000 months. I've owned it for around 6 months. I have done a few things to it, so if you're interested in any of these modifications, they are linked down below, like the black overlays, the 4x4 sticker. This is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. It is mostly stock. Nothing has been done to the driving or the performance of it. Without further ado, let's get into the driving portion. This is going to be my first driving review, so if you're interested in these type of reviews and you want to see more of them, please let me know down below. Hopefully the audio is not too bad in this clip. Let's get this show on the road. You hold the brake, you push to start, and then it obviously turns on. So this being a 2020, it does come with a little bit of different features. It comes with the 8-inch screen. 2021s have a different climate control setting, just making it so that if I'm hot, I can be hot, and if Sandy's cold, she can get cold with cold AC. This one doesn't have it, and I don't think it's that big a deal. I have no problem without it. So this camera does have a little bit of stabilization with it, but you guys are about to see what a Tacoma is like when it goes over a railroad at around 25 miles an hour. I guess I'll slow down because I don't want to shake that hard. But as long as you hold on for dear life, you should be fine. It's not too bad. I'll do a mild acceleration here just so y'all can hear the engine rev out. It won't be nothing crazy. We'll try to get to like 120 and then call it there.
No.
So it has a pretty average acceleration. My previous car was a Corolla, so this feels like a Lamborghini to me. But if you're used to a truck, well, this isn't that great. My dad's Honda Pilot feels a lot faster and a lot stronger than this in like off the line at like a 30 mile per hour roll and even higher in the speeds. So this isn't a speed demon by any means. I do like how it drives. I have no complaints. So driving at like 60 miles per hour now, there is a lot of wind noise, but there's not a lot of tire noise. So I guess that's a good thing about these tires, but the wind noise is a little bit annoying. Like a lot of the time, if you guys weren't here watching me drive right now, I would have the music up just because of how frustrating it is to listen to the wind like destroy this truck. Don't do it, lady. So I've owned this truck for around 14,000 miles now, and I've had 2 Tacomas prior to this one. And as far as driving and comfort, they're all the same. I don't feel like the suspension is any different. This is a TRD Sport. My prior one was just an SR5, so I was expecting more of a sport tuned suspension, whatever that means in a Toyota, but it doesn't feel any different. Do you think it's different?
No.
Like how it rides? Do you think it's like more soft, more stiff?
I think it's the same.
I think it's the same as well. I am looking to change my suspension all the way around from front to rear, so hopefully when that happens, it feels different. I don't know if I want it to feel different because a lot of people complain about it being stiff and it's too rough and it's not drivable, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. But as of right now, stock suspension feels great. I have no complaints. The only thing that this truck doesn't like is bumpy railroads. As far as the interior goes, because obviously there's not much driving going on, so I'd rather talk to you guys about the interior. I absolutely love it. So again, coming from an SR5, this one is a lot more loaded in the interior. You get the black headliner. I really like that when I'm in my cabin. I want to black out my windows so that it could be more and more black inside the truck. You get this gray, like gunmetal type color on the steering wheel, and then on the infotainment system you also get it. And I like that it's like color matched all the way around. It really brings the truck together. I have seen some Tacomas that have like an orange thing here. You also get new seats in the Tacoma, at least for the 2020 year. In my opinion, they're way better than what the previous years had. They were kind of like all black or all gray. This year you get black on the outsides and then silver or gray on the insides. In my opinion, it looks a lot better. I want to take this on a little bit of everything so you guys can kind of get a feeling for it. So we're going to take it on some back roads, and then we're going to take it onto a gravel road so you guys can experience everything and see how it is. So the one thing I will say is there's a lot of body roll. I feel like you can't get rid of that with bigger SUVs or trucks. That's the only thing that I have a gripe about, because I'm not, you know, racing my truck all the time. But even when you're getting off of the highway or onto the highway, it can get a little sketchy and you're not sure if you're about to make the turn or flip over. So just, I don't know, something I wish wasn't so noticeable. But I mean, again, I'm not always racing my truck or getting off the highway, so it's not that bad, just something to take in consideration. I'm like 5'9", 5'10", and as you can see, my legs are fully extended. Sitting right behind me, there's more than enough space for another human my size, but only that much more. Like, if you're like 6 foot, the back seat is not a fun place to be. And if there's more than 3 people in the back seat is not a place to be. Again, I was on a 3,000-mile road trip, and on the way back, we brought 3 people with us. It was Sandy's mom and then 2 of Sandy's cousins. They were very small humans, and they were uncomfortable like the whole time, sitting different ways, trying to lay down different ways, and I felt horrible, but you know, what can you do? But I, the driver, and Sandy, the passenger, in the passenger seat, I was fine. I had no complaints, no problemo. This seat has like the 10-way adjustables for new for 2020, so that was not a problem. I felt very comfortable the whole way. All right, so now we are approaching the gravel road, just so that you guys can, I don't know, get a feel for what it's like to drive on a gravel road. In the Tacoma, at least the TRD Sport model, it is not the easiest of tasks. So there's gonna be a lot of change in your voice. There's gonna be a lot of harsh bumps in movement, and you're definitely gonna hear and feel everything. So the steering wheel actually in the front feels like it's not as firm as it is on a regular road. It feels like it's kind of trying to go places, and I believe that's just from the gravel road pulling it, but it doesn't make you feel that comfortable driving it. When you're off-roading, it's not that big a deal because it's more hands-on, but just on a gravel road where it's a 30-mile-per-hour road, it doesn't make you feel that comfy. You also hear a lot of the rocks being kicked up and into your fenders and onto the side of the truck. These trucks actually come with like an extra protective film on the sides, on the lower sides of these trucks, so I guess that's good, but you definitely can hear every single thing, and if it's loud enough, you start to wonder if your truck is okay. You don't know Did you feel
I felt
that?
that. Yes, I did.
The back was twisting. That's funny. The back was like all the way out there. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know if I missed anything that you guys would have liked to see. I try to do a little bit of everything, that way you guys can get an idea of what it's like to actually drive these things on different terrains. Me personally, I feel like this is a great truck to own. I want to do a lot more stuff to it, bigger tires, different wheels, bigger suspension, but as it sits, it's a super sweet truck. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But other than that, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.